Did you miss that? Here it is again. And again. A little slower. It's probably still not slow enough.
The first thing is a set of speed stacks. As you'll see, there's holes on the top, so they don't stick together. That's why normal drinking cups don't work. Next thing you'll need is a stack mat. This provides a non-slippery surface to stack on. It also helps you time yourself. Next, you'll need a flat surface. I recommend a table, which is best, but the floor is okay. Now to use your stack mat, you want to push the power button on, make sure it's reset to 0. Place both your hands on the pads. When the light turns green, you can start stacking, and then to stop, place both hands back on the pads. In these sessions, I'm going to teach you the 3 basic stacks in sport stacking. They look like this. The first is a 3, 3, 3, up and down. Next is the 3, 6, 3, up and down. And then the premier stack in sport stacking, the cycle, which is a 3, 6, 3, up and down. A 6, 6, up and down. And a 1, 10, 1, ending in a 3, 6, 3.
What makes physics so cool? To me, physics is also interesting because it asks the one question that no other science does. How? Physics looks at how things happen, the reason things happen, and explains it. No other science does this. Chemistry deals with the result of things happening, while biology deals with the why things can happen, but physics deals with the how things happen.
น้ำตาลเครื่องเทศสารพัดของกุ๊กกิ๊กทั้งหมดคือเครื่องปรุงที่เลือกสรรเพื่อสร้างสาวน้อยสมบูรณ์แบบแต่ศาสตราจารย์ยูโทเนียมเติมสารพิเศษอีกอย่างลงไปในส่วนผสมโดยไม่ตั้งใจสารเคมี X จึงได้เกิดเป็น Power Puff Girl ด้วยพลังเหนือมนุษย์
The net force must be 0. The sum of all forces in the x and y direction must be equal to 0. So you have translational equilibrium. Now you must also have rotational equilibrium, so the sum of all the torques must be equal to 0 as well.
There are 5 Suvat equations, of which 4 are necessary at air level. V equals u plus at. The final velocity is equal to the initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by time. V squared equals u squared plus 2as. S equals ut plus a half at squared. S equals a half multiplied by u plus v multiplied by t. And the 5th equation, which it is worth being aware of, S equals vt minus a half at squared.
The magnitude of this maximum can be calculated this way. F max is equal to the coefficient of static friction times the magnitude of the normal force. This coefficient, represented by the Greek letter mu, is unitless and unique to the surface in question.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family.